Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make French fried chicken. Also I'll be serving it up with some sweet potato chips. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. The ingredients for this French fried chicken and the sweet potato chips will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's my ingredients, what I'm going to use on my chicken. I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of paprika, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic powder. Also I'm using 2 eggs, I'm using 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm also using 3 sweet potatoes to make my chips, and also got my chicken leg that I'm gonna use. You're gonna start out by getting a clean basin. You're gonna pour your milk in, your 2 cups of milk, also your black pepper, your salt, and also your egg you're gonna put in there. Just want to mix those around now. Just mix up your egg and your black pepper together. You can use a whisk if you have, or if you don't got any whisk, you can use your fork to mix this. Guys, that's the one I do. Catch me back when I'm finished mixing this around. Now I'm finished mixing my milk with all that salt and black pepper and my 2 eggs. Yes, guys. Now I'm just gonna take my chicken legs, I should say, and put them in there to soak for about half an hour, guys. I'm just gonna leave them to soak in there before I start to fry them in my frying pot. Yes, guys. So you wanna do it. Just leave them to soak. Just like that, guys. Make sure your milk in there, cover them. Guys, just like that. Now in the meanwhile, my chicken legs are soaking in my milk. I'm just gonna put these one side and start to peel my sweet potatoes. Yes, guys. Catch me back when I'm finished peeling all my potatoes, guys, and cutting them up. Now there you have it, guys. My sweet potatoes are finished peeled. I'm just gonna cut this big one in 2. Yes, guys. You just want to split them in the middle. Be careful when you're doing this, guys. Just be careful with your knife. Now when you cut them into half, like this, guys. Now you want to cut them down. Cut them like this again. Yes, guys. Be careful when you're doing it with your knife. Just like that, guys. I'm just gonna do that again one more time with it. Just like that. Now there you have it, guys. After you do that, now you're gonna cut them into strips. Like that, guys. See? Cut them into strips, some chunky strips like that, guys. That's gonna make your nice sweet potato chips. Just like that. Catch me back when I'm finished cutting up all my sweet potatoes like this, guys. Now here you have it, guys. I'm finished cutting up all my sweet potatoes. This is how you want to cut them, guys. Just like that. Into those strips. Yes, guys, I also forgot to tell you, when you're cutting up your sweet potato, make sure you put some cooking oil on your hand and rub it up, guys, so it don't leave any stain. This guy's got sweet potato got stain on it when you're peeling it, I should say. Yes guys, now I'm just gonna rinse them and get back to you guys. Now here you have it, guys. My sweet potatoes, I've washed them off. Yes guys, they're looking so fresh and nice. I can't wait to start to fry them. I'm just gonna put these sweet potatoes to the side. Yes guys, now I'm just gonna get my flour, add it into a separate basin and start to put all my powder seasoning into it. Yes guys, I'm just gonna season up my flour, my paprika. Yes guys, my onion powder. Also, you're gonna need your salt, a teaspoon of salt, also my chili powder, and my garlic powder now, guys. I'm also gonna need 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Get a fork and just mix that around now. Just mix up all of those seasonings that you just put in there into your flour. Just mix them properly. This is what you're gonna also dip your chicken in before you start to fry it. In the meanwhile, you're mixing around your powder seasoning into your flour, guys. You just want to preheat your pot with 3.5 cups of oil in your frying pot for about 5 to 6 minutes before you start to fry your chicken legs and also your sweet potato chips. Yes guys, I'll get back to you when I'm finished mixing this around. Now I'm finished mixing around all my seasoning, my flour. Now I'm just going to preheat my pot with my 3 cups of oil for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium heat, guys. Make sure your fire is on medium heat. Pour 3 cups of oil. Guys, 3 cups of oil. Just leave that to preheat before you start to fry up your chicken legs. Yes guys, I'll get back to you when oil is hot. Now my oil is ready for my chicken after that 5 to 6 minutes. Yes guys, I'm going to start to add my chicken legs in. You're going to dip them into your flour. Yes guys, cover them in flour, guys, just like that. Off the excess flour, then we're going to put them back into your milk again. Guys, just like that. And then you're going to add them into your flour again once more. Just like that, guys. To make that lovely French fried chicken. So you're going to do them and shake off that excess flour again. And you add them to your oil. And you're going to leave them to fry into 12 minutes, guys. So you want to do it. Shake off that excess, dip them back into your milk. And you have them soaking in for 30 minutes. Then you're going to add them back to the flour again. Excess flour, just guys, and you add it into your oil. guys. So anyway, we're gonna leave them to soak 6 minutes on each side, 6 minutes on the other side. I'll get back to you when my chicken legs are finished frying. I will show you the result. Now here you have it, guys. My French fried chicken looking so golden brown and lovely. Looking like KFC style. I'm telling you, it's smelling so amazing, guys. Looking so nice. 6 minutes on each side, guys. I'm gonna fry them. Just that looking so golden brown. Adding some more now, guys. Remember, I'm gonna coat them into the flour, just like this. You see what I'm doing here. That lovely French fried chicken, guys, for you and the family. You're gonna dip them back into your milk. Yes, guys. And then you give them a next coat into your flour. With all that lovely powder season that you put in there. Yes, guys. Just like that. Shake off the excess flour now. Then you add them to your oil. I'm just going to continue the process, just like what you see I'm doing it, guys, until all your chicken is finished. What you have. Yes, guys. I'll get back to you when I'm finished, guys. Now here you have it, guys. This is the last of my chicken wings. You can see, guys, they're looking golden brown. These are finished. Let's take them out. Guys, I'm telling you, they're tasting lovely, guys. Honestly, I just have one of them and I'm telling you, it's amazing. Now, guys, looking golden brown. So you want your chicken legs to look, guys. Yes, I'm just gonna turn this off. I'm just gonna change the oil now because I'm gonna start to fry up my sweet potato chips. Yes, guys, I will get back to you, guys. I've changed my oil now, guys, as you can see. Now I can start to fry my sweet potatoes. Yes, guys. I also use 3 cups of oil inside of my frying pan. Yes, guys. Just want to fry these, guys, for about 10 minutes. Make sure your stove is on medium heat. Yes, guys. I'll get back to you when I'm finished, when these sweet potato chips are finished frying. Yes, guys. I want the sweet potato chips to look, guys. Yes, guys, these are finished frying. Just want to leave them in the oil for 10 minutes to fry, to deep fry them. Yes, guys. Taking out these to put some more in. Just like that. Just gonna add some more in. That's the last of it. Just gonna leave these now, guys, to deep fry again for the next 10 minutes. Now here you have it, guys. For that 10 minutes, the rest of my sweet potato chips are finished. To come out now. Guys, I just have some out of that one that I want to tell you. Just taste some amazing, guys. Tastes lovely. I hope you guys try this one at home. Definitely the kids will really love it, guys. I'm telling you. Lovely golden chicken leg, some of these sweet potato chips. Wow. I want to smell how my kitchen smells, guys. These sweet potato chips smell so lovely. There you have it, guys. So you want to fry your sweet potato chips for 10 minutes. You fry them. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna serve this up now and show you guys. Now let me just share up my French fried chicken with my sweet potato chips and show you guys. Yes, guys. Your lovely French fry legs. ketchup. So to go along with it. Now I'm just gonna put in my sweet potato chips. Guys, there you have it. So you want to serve out your French fried chicken with your sweet potato chips. And just dip this in some of my ketchup. This guys, wow, this tastes lovely. I'm telling you. Let's have a bite of my chicken. Yes, guys. I'm telling you, so amazing. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about this French fried chicken and sweet potato chips. Just let me know, guys, what you think. Until next time, thanks for watching.